Welcome to FacePop. In this video, I'll show you how to get set up quickly. First, go to FacePop. In Add Video, upload your video. Next, you can add a call to action. For this video, we're gonna add a redirect to URL call to action, which is gonna be just a link in a new page. You can customize the button settings like a text, color, and icon. Once you're done, click Save. You can add other CTAs such as collecting emails, sending emails, booking appointments, and so on. Then you can customize your FacePop and look and feel. You can change the position and the size. You can also change colors or fonts. Finally, if you want to embed the FacePop on your website, you can simply connect your website and you will get this embed code. Simply embed this code on your website and FacePop will show. That's it. You're all set to engage your audience. Thanks for watching and reach out if you need any help.
Hi there. In this video, I'll help you get started with FacePop. I already created a widget and right now it has the default video. Let's replace it with our own. Just go to Add Video and click Upload. Pick your file and wait for it to finish uploading. Next, let's add a call to action. Go to Call to Action and click Add CTA. From the list of options, we'll choose Redirect to URL. For this example, I'm going to use a sign-up page. I'm going to paste in the link. And for the button text, I'll use an example, sign up. As soon as you add it, you'll see the button show up in the preview on the left. Once you're done, click Apply. After that, you can change colors and position to fit to your site. When you're ready to put it live, go to Instant Embed and click Connect your website. Follow the steps on the screen. We've got another video that covers that part in detail. That's it. Your FacePop is ready.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for lifetime deal link. Also like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more video.